Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix can't set up the recorder now. Please try again later. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Just make sure your mobile is connected to a strong and stable internet. This kind of issue usually happens when the connection is weak or keeps dropping. So double check that your internet is working fine. Solution 2. Clear caches and data. For that, open the settings menu on your Android phone. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on app management. Now tap on app list at the top of the page. Then scroll down and find WhatsApp and tap on it. Now tap on storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner of the menu. After that, go back to the previous menu. Here tap on permissions. Now scroll down and tap on microphone. Here allow the microphone for WhatsApp. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. For that, open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Now tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Here search for WhatsApp. Here make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. If an update is showing here, then update it. If this solution doesn't work, then try the next solution. Solution 4. Restart your device. Restarting the device will solve this problem. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and fixes.